My dear friends, hello to everyone. This episode of Mimamsa Tales has a very inspiring story of a completely hearing impaired woman, and yet she made India proud by being the first winner of Miss Deaf Asia title in 2018. There are two kinds of people, the ones who let obstacles become roadblocks and the ones who use them as staircases. And here comes our Nishita Dudeja, an amazing, tenacious woman who falls in the later category. She also happens to be profoundly deaf. Panipat born Nishita's long and impressive list of accomplishments include being a judo and lawn tennis champion. She also went on to bag the coveted Miss Deaf Asia 2018 title held in Prague. Interestingly, she is the first Indian to win the contest since its inception in 2001. But for Dudeja, her biggest achievement is to be able to speak and communicate with people. She says, "This may sound insignificant to many, but it's a very big achievement for someone like me who was born 100% deaf. I'm fluent in Hindi as well as English. Most hearing impaired people are not even able to speak, let alone master any language. They are sent to deaf schools where language is not given any priority. Inability to express their thoughts and feelings leads to isolation and eventually dropping out of school. You will rarely see hearing impaired people, especially those born with severe to profound hearing loss, reaching college level. So, as a result, they end up doing small jobs," explains Dudeja. She always had the never say die attitude. Dudeja's parents were shattered when they realized that their 3-year-old hyperactive daughter was unable to hear anything. After consulting with a speech therapist, they admitted her to a regular school as against a special school for the deaf and put her through some rigorous speech therapy sessions. Fighting all the odds and trying to fit into a childhood that was challenging, Nishita constantly raised the bar and broke all stereotypes surrounding deafness. "My childhood was imperfectly perfect. There were many moments and many rejections too. Some kids would touch or try to take out my hearing aid, but I learned to handle them in due course as my parents had prepared me mentally for those things before sending me to school. They always made me believe that the only difference between me and everyone else was that I needed a hearing aid to listen to what they were saying," says Dudeja. Her mother Poonam also studied the subject and practiced with her daughter at home. At the age of 7, Dudeja started learning judo and then tennis at the age of 12. Tons of dedication and hard work led to her participating in Deaflympics in 2013 held in Sofia, Bulgaria, World Deaf Tennis Championship 2015 held in Nottingham, UK, and Deaflympics 2017 in Samsun, Turkey. When a jaw injury forced her to retire from competitive tennis in 2017, Dudeja knew it was time to look for other challenges. Between all this work, she also managed to complete her BCom from Venkateshwara College in Delhi University, maneuver into the spotlight of winning the Miss Deaf Asia 2018, and in the process become an outspoken voice of the deaf in India. And again she won. Her TED Talk of February 2019 was very well received, and it is this drive that sets her apart. Dudeja credits her success to her parents who taught her to never give up in life. "I did rather struggle and fail than seek sympathy and succeed. People think deaf people are dumb too. All you need is a little patience while interacting with a hearing impaired person, as he or she may not be able to understand your conversation if you speak fast. People need to be sensitive towards differently abled persons without being sympathetic." Currently, the multifaceted woman is on a mission to teach the world to listen in different ways. Deafness is not only a poorly understood, it is often a subject of ridicule in conversations, movies, and even stand-up comedy shows. "I fail to understand what's so funny about a complex problem. I want to create awareness about problems of the hearing impaired and the technological solutions available to them," says Dudeja, who is now in Mumbai to pursue her MA in economics. The forced break due to the pandemic has instilled a renewed drive to get back to reading, cooking, and also practice her dance moves. This 26-year-old is truly living up to her name, Nishita, which is in Sanskrit means firm determination.